This is a traditional
muscovado sugar.
Yes. What are the ingredients, Pretty Jess?
Glutinous rice flour and water and muscovado sugar and coconut nut.
Yeah.
That's all because this is traditional.
Yeah.
This is not the latest, high tech, you know.
Yeah.
It's just traditional palitaw.
Look at that. Oh my God. Perfectly made it.
Unlike before, it's like nagkalandrakas.
Masipog ang mukha ni sa madam nato na Pretty Jess. She looks like a very my God, I can't say
Elegant,
classy,
but poor. No money at all.
classy.
Pizza de Peligro, girl.
The drop dead gorgeous chef here in our prestigious school. Charot.
Prestigious. University ni. Sure, yeah.
Elevated naman. Elevated. Bulok-bulok. Promoted under prestigious gapo din sa in elementary level. O in-announce siya guys, consider na may pagmamahal flattening. Flattening.
And then pag-press name with love like that. Oh my God, shit. Never.
Flatten equally.
You need to have a more patience,
Yes.
dedication, and love for work because this is palitaw.
By the way, guys, this is our snacks for today. Oh my God, it's very yummy. Look at it.
Yummy. Very, very,
Hindi pa yan naluluto, guys. Oh. The ingredients are...
Ning, ang lubi, Ning. Ang lubi. Di mo ta makaluto ko yung lubi.
Oh.
Ha?
Coconut. This is the coconut leaf. And the ingredients, the white color.
Kuha na sa antibik-bik diha. Pagpayat tayo dito, pagpakago na ito, doon ka lubi. Tagay na G para matibang bayad.
Pila man dyan. Padawat ni ma'am.
Paday hilaman ng 100.
By the way, we have visitors right now. So that's why we're making this one.
But the visitors are ourselves.
We are very elegant, classy, and equally beautiful in and out. In and out. Oh, guys, I'm going to say Math Wizard, and this is our chef cook.
Duha ka lubi.
And me, myself.
Mama, ako na naman ito dito.
And this one
Inasira
is the
lang.
other,
Takyo ba ni mo?
the other side.
Takyo, bigay para mabukal
Guys.
ka sinayira.
Excited na kamo maluto ini, guys. Kami sab. Excited na namo mga sikmura.
Mas excited.
Oh, sige. Watch out.
Watch out. Watch and learn.
Stay tuned. Stay
For the
tuned.
eating ceremony.
Yeah. May makalaom ni mga Emilyn. Ako naman na ako sa una, pero may mag-istorya sa una mag-vlog up sa una pandemic.
Ay, tabli ako ay butang sa rice cooker.
Then fast up. Paano na din? Perfect.
Nagmay man to sa una na ito mga